Do you know how to make the perfect vegetable cure? Well, I'll explain it to you because it has a few tricks.
Hi, do you like tasty ideas? Of course you do. Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make the best vegetable puree in a foolproof way, so it always turns out creamy and delicious.
No.
Don't miss the workshop that's perfect for you today.
Begin with vegetables of your choice. Today I'm going to add a leek, which as you can see, I chop very, very finely. And I add it to a pot in which I pour a splash of good oil. In goes the leek. While everything is heating up over medium or even slightly lower heat, I'm going to chop 2 celery stalks. It's interesting to mix vegetables that are the same color if possible, like pumpkin with carrot, or these that are green with orange. So these are the green type. That way the flavor stays balanced. We also always add an onion, and you have to use this little trick. Chop it very, very finely so it releases all its flavor. Inside as well. And now comes a bit of magic, because it's not just about cooking the vegetables. Here comes the trick. You have to add 4 cloves of garlic, or 5 if you really like it, but don't chop them. And you also have to add some flavor, right? How? Well, by adding spices. First with black pepper, yes, freshly ground just like that, to really enhance the flavor, along with a touch of salt. As always, to your taste. I also like to add a good amount of sweet paprika, which goes great with it. We mix and cook, but make sure to cover the vegetables for a few minutes.
One detail that many people forget is that you have to judge. Play with the cooking times. Let me explain. If you want a very strong flavor, so that they taste a lot like vegetables, cook them for a long time. If you want a mild flavor, cook them for less time. That way, you'll always have the right flavor tone. What do you like the most?
For a strong vegetable flavor, cook for several minutes. For a milder taste, cook just a few minutes. When they're cooked to your liking, add a potato. This is optional, but I like to add a broken potato to improve the texture, and then a good broth. If it's vegetable broth, even better. I'm going to add this one directly, a liter in. We give it a few stirs, and now we're going to cook it until the potato gets soft. Depending on the type of potato, it will take a little more or a little less time. If you want to speed things up, chop the potato up finely. And if you can break it up instead of cutting it all the way through, that's even better because it'll release more flavor. Once you have it, it's time to mash it. Put it in your blender jar or use a hand blender like this directly in the pot. With a little patience, you'll get a smooth texture. If you like it chunky, you know what to do. Just blend it for a shorter time. Once you have it, decorate however you like on a nice plate and enjoy. I like to add a little bit of oil, a few drops of evaporated milk, and some toasted bread.
Look. It looks so good, delicious, creamy, smooth, and it can be at
certain touches
so that it becomes even more amazing. Come on.
Look, big spoon, so delicious.
There, how good it is to prepare healthy things and how good it is that they're also delicious. And since we're at it, a little bit of creativity, I hope you'll tell me down here in the comments, which healthy recipe do you love? This way, we all learn to care for ourselves together. And while we're at it, I'll give you the list of ingredients and quantities I've used today, so it'll be super easy for you to make at home, just like I did. And also, YouTube tells me that you're going to love the video in the little box. Stay strong. I'll see you soon.